Vice President Kashim Shettima says President Bola Tinubu's administration is developing a national disaster risk financing framework to ensure timely funding for disaster prevention and preparedness. Speaking at the 2025 International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction in Abuja, Shettima highlights efforts to integrate disaster risk reduction into all sectors and expand early warning systems. He stresses the need to shift from reacting to disasters to anticipating and preventing them, advocating investment in resilience such as drainage systems, strong schools, and climate-smart farming tools. Shettima also emphasizes the roles of the private sector, academia, and civil society in building national resilience.
If we fail to invest in resilience, we will continue to spend our scarce resources cleaning up after crisis instead of building lasting prosperity for our people. His Excellency President Bola Tinubu GCFR emphasizes this need to treat resilience as a national policy. We are integrating disaster risk reduction into every sector, from agriculture and infrastructure to education and health, while expanding early warning systems to ensure that communities receive timely alert before floods, droughts, or disaster outbreaks.
Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction, Yusuf Sununu, underscores the need for a holistic disaster risk management approach involving all stakeholders and empowering local communities.
And I think it is in this regard that the government of President Bola Tinubu is making all holistic approaches in ensuring that hunger, poverty, education, and many other endeavors of human that is needed as ingredient for human life is addressed.
NEMA Director General Zubaida Umar calls for proactive and well-funded disaster risk management, citing 2 new policy instruments for 2025 to 2030.
This roundtable also provides the platform for the official launch of 2 landmark policy instruments that will guide our collective efforts in the years ahead: the NEMA Strategy Plan 2025 to 2029 and the National Disaster Risk Reduction Strategy 2025 to 2030. These frameworks are anchored on risk-informed development, innovation in financing, and stronger institutional collaboration, ensuring that disaster risk management becomes an integral part of planning across all sectors.
Plan International Nigeria's country director, Dr. Charles Uche, emphasizes the need for transparency and accountability in disaster risk funding, recommending better data management and clear roles among stakeholders.
These recurring crises expose the country's limited disaster response, preparedness, and highlight that this is not only urgent but critical to national stability. The World Bank notes that disaster in developing countries like Nigeria severely disrupt economies, strain budgets, and reverse development gains, underscoring the need for a proactive rather than a reactive approach to disaster management. It's on this note I want to really commend NEMA for organizing this conference, because this is the right thing to do. This is the right conversation to have, and at the right time.
With these measures, Nigeria aims to build a financial foundation for lasting stability and protection of development gains.